Good day, everyone. I am Clarice Anticar, and today I will discuss to you about the Student Information System, or SIS. In this presentation, we'll learn its meaning, importance, key users, and benefits in education. To start with, let me first read to you the objectives. First, to explain the concept, features, and importance of a student information system. Second, to value the importance of SIS in improving school efficiency and communication. And lastly, to present and illustrate how an SIS works in managing student information. By the end of this discussion, we will realize how technology helps schools become more organized and effective. So, what does SIS means? SIS is a student information system. It's a software application used by schools and universities. It is used for storing and managing student records, data, and information. So it keeps track of important details such as student personal information, enrollment status, attendance, grades, and academic records. So, because of SIS, schools can easily access and update records whenever needed. So, for example, when a teacher records attendance online, the information is automatically saved in the system. Now let's proceed to the main features of SIS. So the first feature here is the student profile. This feature stores personal information of a student such as a student's name, age, address, contact number, and guardian details. It keeps all important data in one secure system. Next is the enrollment and registration. So SIS helps schools manage student enrollment quickly and accurately. Students can register subjects and schools can easily update enrollment records. The third feature is the course or section management. This allows school to organize classes, subjects, schedules, and student sections properly, so teachers and students can easily view their assigned classes. Another feature is attendance tracking. So teachers can record attendance digitally in the system automatically. It saves information and this makes monitoring attendance faster and more accurate. Next is the gradebook and grading features. Teachers can input grades directly into the system, while students and parents can check academic performance anytime. In this way, this reduces manual computation and errors. And lastly, SIS provides academic reports and transcripts. The system can quickly generate report cards, academic summaries, and student transcripts. This saves time and makes a student record retrieval easier. So, for example, instead of searching through many folders for students' grades and attendance, teachers can simply open the SIS and access the information in just a few seconds. Now, let us proceed to the next slide. So, why schools use SIS and why SIS is helpful in many schools? Schools use SIS because it helps improve organization and record keeping. So instead of using many paper files, schools can store information digitally, which saves times and reduces errors. SIS also provides faster access to the student information and improves communication among teachers, administrators, parents, and students. So, for example, if a student is absent, parents can quickly receive updates through the system. Now let's go on to the key users and their roles. So who are the people can access and can use SIS and what are the roles? So the first one here is the administrators. They are responsible for managing school operations, student records, and school policies. They also ensure that the system runs properly and efficiently. Second are the teachers. Teachers use SIS to enter grades, record attendance, and add comments about student performance. In this way, this helps them monitor the progress of their student and the performance of their students. The third one are the students. Students can use the system to view their schedules, grades, assignments, and school announcements. This helps them to stay informed and updated about their academic activities. And lastly, parents or guardians. They can track their child's academic progress and attendance through the SIS. In this way, it allows them to stay connected with their child's education. One example is that a parent can immediately check if their child is attending their classes or pass an exam by simply logging into the student information system. Now, let us discuss how a student information system works, or SIS, in managing student information. So, how does a student information system works? A student information system works by collecting, storing, processing, and managing student information in one digital system. It helps schools organize records and make school operations faster and more efficient. First, the school creates or updates student profile by entering personal information such as contact details, name, age, and academic records into the system. In this way, it helps keep records complete and organized. Second, during enrollment, the SIS assigns subjects, sections, and class schedules to students automatically. This helps avoid confusion in class assignments. The third one is the attendance. It's that attendance is recorded. Teachers use the student to record attendance daily or weekly. The attendance data is saved immediately and easily be monitored by the school. Next, teachers enter grades, quiz scores, and exam results directly into the SIS. The system automatically computes and stores the grades accurately. And lastly, the SIS generates reports such as report cards, academic summaries, and transcripts every grading period or semester. One example is that instead of manually checking paper files, teachers and administrators can quickly access a student's grades, attendance, and schedules through the SIS in just a few clicks. This makes school management easier, faster, and more organized. Now, let us proceed to the benefits of student information system. The first one on the list is that SIS provides faster record retrieval. Student information such as grades, name, age, attendance, grades, and schedules can easily be accessed in just a few clicks. This saves time for teachers and administrators. The second one here is fewer errors than manual system. Since information is stored digitally and automatically, mistakes in recording and computing data are minimized. And the third one is less paperwork. SIS helps reduce paperwork because schools can no longer need to keep large amount of paper files because records are stored electronically. This makes the system more organized and environmentally friendly. And lastly, SIS offers better reporting and tracking of student progress. Teachers and parents can easily monitor attendance, academic performance, and overall student development through generated reports. One example of that is that instead of searching through cabinets full of documents, as what we use every now and then, teachers can instantly view a student's grades and attendance using the SIS. This makes school management faster, easier, and more efficient in just one click. In conclusion, with that, the Student Information System, or SIS, is a very helpful tool that makes school management more organized, accurate, and efficient. It supports attendance tracking, grading, reporting, and communication among members of the school community. However, schools must also ensure data privacy, security, proper training, and regular system maintenance to achieve the best result. So overall, SIS shows how technology can improve the quality and efficiency of education. That wraps up my report for today. Thank you everyone for watching and listening.